Here I have iPhone 13 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So firstly you have to open your gallery, then select photo which you want to hide, for example this one, tap share button, and then select hide. And now you will have this photo hidden. You can find it in the albums, and here you can find hidden, and here it is. So if you want to unhide this photo, tap on the share button once again, then unhide, and now you can find this photo in your library again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.